Hi guys, my name is Simi Talsania and I'm your new IDALS instructor. So today we are going to learn a new choreography which is basic intermediate on the song Satya, which is from the movie Satya. The choreography is divided into 3 sections. So yes, let's not waste too much time and let's get started. Hi guys, so as you all know, the song's name is Satya and a little bit about the choreography and why I chose the song. So we all know that the pandemic has been really hard on us and I wanted to go something light and because the song is so beautiful, the composition is just amazing. It's such a soothing track, so I just wanted to give some feel-good vibes. All I want to say about the choreography is do not try to overcompensate it with steps because it's not about steps. It's just about the feeling. It's just about the song, how the song makes you feel. So let it be as natural as possible. Yes, there's a graph in the song. There's a specific energy distribution. So I will be hitting those points. I will be clearing it out with you all. But yes, keep it as natural as possible and have lots of fun with it. Yes. Let's get started. So the first position, you're standing straight. The profile is absolutely straight. So the song has 2 loops. It keeps on repeating the same thing. Na 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 madam madam teri gili hasi. Okay. So we're gonna leave the Satya part. Na, 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 na. We're gonna start from Sun ke humne sari peeli hasi. Okay, we are gonna start from that portion. So the first step is just your right hand goes out like that, 1. So it's just 1 from your lips like that, 1. You look at your hands. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Okay, don't forget to look at your hands. 1, 2. So this is Sun ke humne. Yeah. Now 3 is Sari. Sorry. It's your right hand. So 1, 2. You take a circle from your right to your left till here. Okay, on your shoulder. So you take a whole circle from here, from right to left, and it ends on your left shoulder. Alright? And then after that, the song goes like Hasi. So basically your left hand, which is free here, it comes up like that, Hasi, and your right goes down. Simple? Once more, slowly from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Once more. And then we move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? Okay. Now after this, the song goes like Sun ke humne sari peeli hasi. Oh ho ho ho. See, you heard that? Oh ho ho ho. So we are going to follow the music pattern as however it is. Okay. The music has beautiful melodies. Some has basic rhythms. So this is an amalgamation of all those things. All right. So this one we are going according to how the melody goes and how Sonu Nigam is singing. So okay. So after this, you go down. Your right hand comes up here. Okay. With that, you're here and your hand comes here and you go down simultaneously. So you're here and down. Okay? Simple? You're here, you go down, and now there are 4 oh ho ho ho. Okay, so you're going to just follow that. Your head starts from the right side. Right, you look. Left, you look. Right, you look. And slowly in the third one, your hand starts coming up on your neck like that, okay? And your left hand, which is on the side, when you take the